sentenced to life in prison, but now he will get a new sentencing hearing because the appeals court says the trial judge was wrong.
20-year-old Frederick Wade was given life behind bars last year in the shooting death of his classmate, Kalil McCoy. His lawyers appealed it and have won a new sentencing hearing. Channel 4's Haley Winslow talked to McCoy's mom and is joining us now live. Haley, what does she think of this?
Mary, she's angry that she has to go through this again. She thought the man responsible for killing her daughter was going to spend the rest of his life behind bars, and now that's not necessarily the case, and that's very hard for her to digest.
As long as there's breath in my body, you're not going to get out.
But now Lynnette Roebuck has to watch the sentencing of the man guilty of killing her daughter again. She says the telling phone call from the state attorney's office made her sick, and she couldn't stop throwing up.
Now we have to relive this all over again. I never wanted to see his face again. So now we have to go before him again and look at his face. I don't want to see his face. You know, I don't even want to hear his name.
Frederick Wade, the man who grew up with her daughter and was supposed to be her friend.
He actually took my daughter's life because she wouldn't roll up a window.
It was Father's Day, right before high school graduation, and a group was hanging out after Plush nightclub when an argument over the car window escalated. Wade admitted in court to pulling the trigger that killed Kalil McCoy. An autopsy revealed her heart was still beating moments after she was shot.
He wouldn't take her to the hospital because he said he couldn't go back to jail, and he has a 3-year-old daughter to worry about. So you can disregard, you don't care nothing about my daughter that you just shot. All you cared about is your daughter.
McCoy's mom says she'll never be okay, but she thought this part of the process was over, and now she has to go through it again.
We heard the judge say life in prison. We heard him say that, so I don't understand where the discrepancy came in.
The hearing is scheduled for September. Instead of a mandatory life sentence, Wade could face anywhere from 25 years to life in prison. Reporting live at the Duval County Courthouse, Haley Winslow, Channel 4, the local station.
Haley, will the new hearing be before the same judge?
Actually, Mary, no. Judge Tyree Boyer retired, so a new judge will hear arguments from both sides to determine a suitable sentence for Wade. Mary?
All right, Haley Winslow reporting to us live. Thank you, Haley.
Well, just